Hey my colorful people, welcome back to another video. This week we have a grocery haul. People always have to stick to the evil, you know. Me now, take up my enough self. Say me I try one different supermarket now for see how the price them stay and if me can buy. People, disappointment is an understatement. Me say one piece of embarrassment take me to the supermarket. No sir, it's can't real. So I rolled up to the counter now with my full trolley and I say cashier, when you reach 10 grand you tell me. Put up one little few little snacks and few little something, rice and oil. So I say cashier how much you reach? Come I say probably either want 6 or want 5 something. The girl said $11,000. Think I joke the girl and make me have to go and go look on the screen. 11,700 and something dollar. And me trolley no half yet. Me no get me regular things them yet. The essentials yet. Sugar no cash yet. I know sugar still in the trolley at the supermarket. Could not buy it. So my co-worker did help me take out this stuff them and something. The cashier said he reach $15,000. My friend I said, Kira, how do continue take up? Me I said, continue take up what? After the girl said so much money, where me forget it from? After me take up my 16,000, 15,000 something, I said probably you reach like 15 something. You know, I normally spend that amount. Let me take out my 15,000 something dollar. Figure spend. The bill reach 17,000 odd. So after this supermarket disaster, what I realized is that these supermarkets, they're adding GCT, that's general consumption tax, to every single thing in the supermarket. Even things that are not taxable, like bread, rice, flour, those do not attract GCT in Jamaica. And these people add the GCT to it, but they keep it for themselves because they do not hand it over to the government. I'm not sure if this is legal or anything, but that is what they do. So you end up thinking that you're paying a lot of tax to the government, but you're not paying it to the government. You're paying it to the supermarket, and they're taking it for themselves. So that's why the goods them they sky high, and that's why cost of living just they way up there. So. Now this is a Chinese supermarket. I won't call its name, but I don't think they even pay tax to be taxing us like this. Because when I go to a regular supermarket, I do not get my regular items taxed, like the rice and the flour. They're not supposed to be taxed, but these people are taxing them. So let me know what the prices are in your neck of woods. Are you being taxed these non-taxable items? Are you paying tax on these that the government are not receiving any tax for them? I don't know if I did cash the keys, Fanny. I don't know if I did get the keys. Let me know what it's like in your supermarket, in your district. See there? The box empty. I'm gonna get all I want. Look at this bread. It should be for $5.55, which is the total price. But these people sell it for like $5.60, which they add tax to bread. So my total was 17,922, and I only paid like out of that 1,260 is for tax. Now that math is not mathing. That just don't right. Until next time, continue to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.